Hello, we're here with Cassey Driver. Cassey, tell us what you've done on the beach project and how fun it's been.
It's been really fun. I am the assistant stage manager for the beach, and my roles are to assist the stage manager in her work and to do sourcing of props and costume and just general helping out with the team.
So there's quite a lot of stuff you have to keep track of and organise. Do you enjoy that? Do you get I mean, it looks quite stressful from where I'm standing, possibly sometimes.
No, I mean, as long as you've got the right lists and the right setup and you know where you go in and stuff, so that's fine. So yeah, it's just me and the stage manager just making setting lists and making sure everything's put right and etc. So it's not that difficult once you get all the right things and you've got all the right elements in place, and
yeah,
it's okay.
Because you seem like a details person to me, someone who's very organised in that way.
Yeah, just one of the things that I've always naturally been organised and naturally not a very chaotic or panicked person. Just always been a calm person, so.
Good, well yeah, I've certainly noticed that, and thanks for your hard work on the beach and for making it really smooth.